treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Nissan Versa. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 5,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a trip computer, air conditioning, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and two speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.